So you're asking yourself, how can I make my airsoft gun any better? I've spent so much money on it. I've borrowed money from the bank. I've borrowed money from my mother. I've borrowed money from my father, my girlfriend, my boyfriend. Well, you're gonna need to borrow some more because I have these wonderful Acetech Tracer units. Now, Acetech Tracers are the best in the game, and they come in a bunch of different varieties, from small all the way to large. These Acetech Tracer units take these UV BBs and light them up in both green and red, and today I'm going to show you which one is right for your setup. The lighter S has these 11mm threads and these 14mm threads, so you can put them on a pistol or a rifle. This one will only shoot green BBs because it is short. You need a longer duration to shoot red BBs. These have rechargeable battery units in here that last 30,000 BBs. That's a lot. When we move over then to the other version of the lighter S, this one has a barrel extension on it so that if you have a rail that's sunken, this will allow you to put it in that rail. We have here is the lighter R. The lighter R is longer, and the reason they call it the lighter R is it shoots red BBs better than any other tracer. Acetech Bluetooth also shoots both green and red BBs, but the difference of this one is it's Bluetooth, so it connects to your phone and acts as a chronograph. The creme de la creme Acetech unit is this VFC Knights Armament suppressor with an Acetech in it. With this one, you get all the cool trades of the Knights Armament VFC suppressor with an Acetech put in here, as well as a removable flash hider. This one, along with the BT and the lighter R, can shoot red BBs and green BBs. The Acetech Lighter S, the other version of the Acetech Lighter S, the lighter R and the BT all have adapters for pistols, 11mm. Now, the VFC version only has 14mm threads and it will only fit on a rifle. The great thing is all these other Acetechs also have 14mm adapters, so you can also put those on rifles. You need to borrow that money from your significant other because these Acetech Tracers are available at MireTactical.com.